What's up, guys? It's been a little while, huh? Well, today I'm doing something a little different. I'm on an MT-03. It's got 29 miles. It's super fun to ride. Ooh, super lightweight. I just got done installing handlebars and what else did I do? Handlebars and what the fuck? The tail light. I got rid of the whale tail, whatever you want to call it, the tail tidy. Did that. This is actually my sister's bike. I'm actually driving it to her place right now to show her. All right. Ooh, what a beautiful day. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I installed a ransoto full exhaust on this. And right now it's still with the stock tune. I don't have a tune on it, but I have the baffle in still too, so it should be okay until we get a tune. Then we can pull the baffle out. But yeah, I'm excited though. My sister just passed her motorcycle endorsement class, for her MSF riding class, so that's pretty badass. I can't wait to start riding with her. Right, like, I don't know if you guys know this, but so I have a FZ07 and a TW200, both Yamahas, and this is my sister's Jesus, this is my sister's MT-03. But yeah, what the heck, dude? Let's go. This thing's got some power though, man. I'm actually really surprised. It's a 321cc. Oh my god, get the hell out of the way. And it sounds good too. Sounds really good. Oh man, it's actually nice out finally. So it's been hot as shit lately, and today's the last day of Biketoberfest. It's Sunday, so everybody's going home for. But I haven't had the time to go check out this Biketoberfest. Usually I'm out and about and bar hopping and all that crazy crap, but no, not this time. I was busy working on this bad bitch right here. But hopefully you'll see my sister in some of the videos in the future. Planning on riding, since we both live in the same town and stuff, and now she's got a bike and her license finally, so this will be interesting. But pretty sweet. I'm excited. So yeah, this R6 throttle tube is definitely a must for you guys with MT-03s that are thinking about just like mods, you know, cheap mods. Do it. It's like 26 bucks or something on Amazon. If you want, I can link the link on YouTube, the one that I bought. It fits perfect. But yeah, super easy to do. I definitely recommend it. If you're wondering what bars these are, this is I just got them like yesterday or whatever. It's the Protaper CR mids. It's the same ones that TSD Industries recommended. Woo! All right, dude, this throttle is fucking sick. I love it. Ooh, sounds nice too. I actually like this exhaust. This is a Ransoto exhaust. They're pretty cheap, but I had it on my Grom, and a bunch of my friends had them on their Groms too at one point, and it sounds pretty good. Damn, this thing's fucking peppy though. I like it. It's super lightweight, awesome. It's very nimble. Gets awesome gas mileage, but I can't wait to pull that baffle out so I can really I can hear the damn thing. I mean, I can hear it, no doubt, but I don't know, I love loud bikes. Oh my god, it feels so good to be out and riding. I haven't done a vlog in a while. Woo! All right, time for some twisty action on the MT-03. Gets going, man. I love it. It's a nice bike. I'm gonna go this way. I never go this way, but there's a speedway, guys. I don't know if you've seen it in my videos. I know I have it in a couple of my videos, but I'm going on the backside. Airplane, look at it. American Airlines. Woo! I love this bike, man. Super nimble. Love it. This would be like the perfect commuter bike. Super lightweight, good on gas. It's fun as fuck. Whoa. Oh my god, this thing sounds sick. I love it. This is like our only windy road back here, but it's got some potholes and bumps and shit, but should be okay. Woo! Yeah. Here's the speedway, the airport, and the new Amazon facility that's coming up. It's like the second one in Daytona. It's freaking huge. That building back there. Oh man, this bump sucks. Hold on. Oh, there we go. I hope you guys can hear this exhaust in the through my helmet with this microphone. I don't know, but oh, there's some loose dirt shit. I hate that. Hold on, freaks me out. Woo! Oh damn! Ready? Apex! Bam! Oh, I hate those bumps. Woo! Oh hell yeah! Ready? It's like a rip. Love it. This thing's fun as fuck. I love this bike. It's definitely a lot more nimble than the MT-07, or the FC-07, I should say. My bike. It's definitely a lot lighter. Obviously, off the line, my FC-07 would smoke this thing, but it's still fun though. This thing you can wind out every gear and it feels amazing. So much fun to throw through the corners like this. Oh, here's those bumps. Ah, shit. Hold on. I hate those fucking bumps. Hold on. There we go. And there's a gap. Let's see if I can go through the turn. Yep. Made it. And of course this guy's will pull up in front of me. But man, there's Embry-Riddle, one of the buildings. It's a 321cc parallel twin. And it, ooh, that guy just busted his ass, or he almost busted his ass. But this thing is just super fun. I love it. I'm gonna go back in here and show you guys what it looks like. I guess I could have went in there, but oh well. You know what? I'll just do a little U-turn. That's what I'll do. I'll go right in here. Boom. Alright. So this is my sister's 2020 MT-03 with the protaper bars. Everything's stock except for the full exhaust there, and the bars, the mirrors, R6 throttle tube. She's got LED like nighttime kit. You can change any colors and all that crazy stuff. See, the baffle's still in it, but you can pull that thing out and it'll be a lot louder. But I think you have to hit a tune if you do that. And then it's got these Shogun sliders on it, so in case she busts her ass, it won't fuck up the bike too bad. I think. Hopefully, she's got them on the front here too. But yeah, this thing sounds sick. Take a listen. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. And the Pro grips, these are the rally grips. Oh my god, I love them. I think they're part number 4 or 714 or something. But I'll use them on all my bikes. They're super gushy, and they're a little thicker than normal, so it feels better. It feels more normal, like natural. So the other ones are too skinny. It feels freaking weird when you grab it. So these feel nice and gushy, and they don't hurt your hands and shit. But yep. Oh, and she's got levers too, aftermarket levers. But yep. All right, let's get out of here. Little baby wheelie for you guys. Woo! I don't want to do that around here, because definitely not on the streets. If I find like a stunt lot or something, I would definitely love to. But this bike is very, very capable of doing wheelies. There's no excuses. Definitely a lot more powerful than my old Grom. So, and my TW200. This is more powerful. Hell yeah, this thing's sick, dude. Fucking love it. Sounds cool as fuck too. This thing's badass, dude. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end this video pretty soon. I'm usually bad at ending videos. I just kind of like forget to say goodbye or whatever. But green light, let's go. Hold on. A couple more turns up here and then I'll end it. Woo, cemetery. Let's not end it there, right? Oh yeah. Woo! Alright guys. The next video, I'll probably be on my MT-07. It's been a while since I've actually been riding that. I was actually planning on... Ooh, holy... I was actually gonna sell the damn MT-07, and then I realized I can't. I just fucking can't, dude. It's too much. It's too fucking sexy of a bike. I just can't do it. It sounds good. It feels good. It feels amazing. It's been an awesome daily driver. I mean, I've literally had zero issues. It's easy to tune. It's easy to fucking mod and work on. It's just like the Grom, but fucking 10 times stronger and better and just everything. But I can't sell it. I don't know. I'll sell other shit, but I'm not selling the TW. Everybody knows that, and I'm definitely not selling the F-07. So I love my Yamahas. So anyways guys, this will be it. See ya.